Nervos CKB captures the total value of the network through its native token, the CKByte. The CKByte has two important uses that drive its value upwards and incentivize Nervos' users to act in the network's best interest. First, the CKByte is a store of value token that entitles its holder to storage on the blockchain. In addition to representing storage ownership, CKB is decentralized, sustainable, highly secure, and resistant to censorship. Since developers and users need storage to use the blockchain, as adoption grows, they'll need more CKB over time, pushing demand and prices for CKBytes up. To give store of value users an inflation shelter from secondary issuance, we've created the Nervos DAO. Users will be able to lock their money in the DAO, protecting themselves from token dilution and receiving a proportional share of inflation. In other words, it's a currency. As the network grows and acquires more operators, they'll need a common currency to interact with each other.